Discover the ultimate in home cleaning and kitchen products at Daris Life. Top quality mops, kitchen, and cleaning tools. We offer an extensive range of mops, window cleaning tools, kitchen products, and home appliances to make your life easier and cleaner. Our product range includes everything from innovative mop sets to advanced kitchen gadgets, all designed with your convenience in mind. Daris Life Mops. Explore our collection of mop sets, including the versatile rotating mop and the efficient spray steam mop. Our mops are perfect for tackling any mess, ensuring your floors are spotless with minimal effort. Daris Life Kitchen Tools. Upgrade your kitchen with our top-of-the-line kitchen products. From time-saving gadgets to essential tools, we have everything you need to cook with ease and precision. Daris Life Window Cleaning. Achieve streak-free windows effortlessly with our double-sided window cleaning tools. Designed for ease of use and maximum efficiency, our window cleaners will leave your glass surfaces sparkling clean. Daris Life Bathroom Tools. Keep your bathroom spotless with our range of cleaning tools specifically designed for this essential space. Our products ensure thorough cleaning, maintaining a hygienic environment in your bathroom. We believe in providing high-quality products at affordable prices, making shopping a right, not a luxury. Shop with us and transform your home with our premium cleaning and kitchen tools. Enjoy free shipping and get 10% off on your first purchase.